I've got you that beautiful, simple, and unique hairstyle that you may want to rock for that special event. You want to look cultural, you want to make that kid hairstyle, that's cool hairstyle or cultural hairstyle, and you're looking for what to do. Here is a simple tutorial on how to get this beautiful hairstyle done. Welcome if this is your first time stopping by this channel. This is one of the channels that you will love to be. I am happy you are here. Welcome for coming to this channel. My name is Oluwatosin, and to my returning subscribers, thank you very much. Your encouragement keeps me going on this channel. So this is just a simple ponytail, you can call it a ponytail natural hairstyle with a flat twist, just two flat twists on each side, making it 4 flat twists in all, and a single twist, a line of twist, making 2 lines of twist. All the braiding, the cornrow you need to do is just 6. Now if you are yet to be able to flat twist your hair, and you can do a normal braid or an inverted braid, you can make do of it as well. Don't worry, the key is just to get those tiny ones braided out and you have this similar look. So I'm just doing the single strand twist. You can make it a Senegalese or a mini twist. Just make sure it is not so tiny so that it will be able to hold your beads well. So I am done with the first side. I am going with the second side, almost done here. And when you are done, you get your brush ready. The tools you'll be needing, you need your airbrush, soft brush. This can be a shoe polish brush like the one I'm using, or you get the one that is made for hair. So you can as well finger detangle your hair. You can see me finger detangling. Now you just have to take those braids out of the way so that you'll be able to do proper justice to that smoothing. Now I am going in with my lycra material. If you prefer to use a shoelace, go ahead with it, but please do not use a regular rubber band. Please do not use a regular rubber band. This will give your hair breakage. There will be so much tangling that you have to deal with when taking off that rubber band. And of course, if you know best way to secure your hair with it, but please, I advise not to use it. Use a shoelace, or you get a tiny lycra material like the one I am using. Lycra material is a material that is stretchy. So, and the second tip is not to make it so tight. Be cautious of your edges, especially if you are like me, that is just growing out your hairline. You're just getting hold of your hairline. Don't make it too tight because you do not want breakage for your hairline again. Keep the lycra material, whichever material you're using, it secured underneath the hair, and just adjust that bun. Adjust the remaining of your hair. Remove the hairpin you used to keep away. Here I'm just saying if I should leave it this way. This is another style, another clip for you. You can as well prefer to leave it this way, but the main style for this video is this next step. How you can achieve this with your short natural hair. You might have been seeing people using extension, but I got a clear hint on how you can do it with a short hair and you will still look beautiful. So accessorize it with any type of bead you prefer. You're keeping one side away so that you can accessorize the second part of the hair. Now take the tip of each cornrow line and attach them with your lubricated rubber band, hair rubber band. Then tuck that part into the bead. Hide it inside that bead, and that is just the hint on how to make it with your short hair without extension. Can you see the tip? I just hid it in that bit and I am good to go. So to the tiny lines left, that is the second flat twist cornrow. I just accessorize it each with a big and a small bit, and this is the hairstyle. This is the look. What do you think about this hairstyle? Will you be willing to make this hairstyle either for your children or for yourself anytime soon? This is the back. You can just do a little brushing if it is not as neat as this. I love this hairstyle. But you know, they say one man's food is another man's poison. Do you like it as well? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.